Preparing for the day, perfect your bag packing. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about an important part of our daily routine, packing our bags for work or school. Having all you need in your bag can make your commute and the rest of your day go smoothly. So let's jump right in. Before we start packing, we need to identify the items we use every day. These items can vary from person to person, but common essentials might include a laptop, charger, notebook, pen, wallet, keys, and your lunch. Some people also carry a book or music player for the commute, and it's always handy to have a bottle of water. Remember to adapt this list based on your personal needs and daily routine. Once you've gathered all the items, the next step is organizing them in your bag. Try to pack in a way that the items you use frequently are easy to access. For example, your wallet and keys might go in an outer pocket, while your laptop or notebooks could go in a larger, central compartment. A good habit to develop is to double-check your bag before you leave home. This can help prevent forgetting important items. Make it a routine to ensure that all the essentials are packed and in their proper place. Depending on the weather, you might need to add a few items to your bag. For example, an umbrella for a rainy day or a hat and sunscreen for a sunny day. This section is about being prepared for any weather condition that might come your way. And there you have it, folks. Remember, a well-packed bag is key to a smooth, stress-free commute and a productive day at work or school. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to practice your English daily, and as always, happy learning. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll continue exploring more about our daily routines. Take care and goodbye for now.